Hey babes, it's me. Welcome back. And today we will be installing this 6x6 closure from WOWANGEL hair with a little fish braid on it. So let's get into it. This is the box that the wig comes in. It's about 26 inches. And let me just tell y'all, the lace eats 10 out of skin, 10 out of skin, 10 out of 10, nothing but scalp. So now I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like straight out the box, no makeup or nothing. And I just wanted to see how it fit on my head and everything. So then I'm gonna go in with my Ghost Bond. Y'all already know we do 2 layers for extra security, and we let that dry clear. We let it dry clear. And then we're gonna go in with this new adhesive spray by Eben, and we're gonna lock that in with a nice little thin layer. And then we're gonna push that wig into everything. And also we are going to use our comb. Make sure we are melting that lace. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. After I press in all the glue, I'm gonna go in with my headband, and I let that sit for like 30 minutes, and then I go do something fun. And this is how it looks. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut these side tabs off, and I cut these off this time at a little bit of an angle. And what I noticed is it did help the lace stay a little bit more flat. So I will be doing that from now on. But I just cut off my tabs, and then I go straight across in a zigzag manner because nobody has a straight hairline. So I do try to cut the lace in a zigzag pattern. Once I cut off all my lace, I'm now going to start pulling out my baby hairs. This part is kind of self-explanatory depending on how thick and how long you want it. It all depends on how much hair you pull out. You also want the baby hairs to be flat, so please do not be afraid of the hot comb, ladies. It is your best friend. So I'm not with nobody, 'cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, text it and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be so. Once I have my one side completed, I'm just gonna do the exact same to the opposite side, making sure we're getting that baby hair nice and flat. I wanna be around while you trace. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. I want to start cutting my baby hairs, and it's always good to cut long because you can always cut shorter, so always start long. And then I'm going to go in with some more of that Eben spray and just touch up a little bit of that lace just so it's melting properly. And the more skin it looks like, the better, ladies, okay? So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit longer, and while I do that, I'm going to start styling my hair. And this is where we get into the fish braid, ladies. So I'm very excited to show you this part, but I do have a demonstration for you guys, and I'm going to pull that up now. So to start this off, you want to take 2 nice sections. And then from those sections, you're going to pull a piece of hair as I'm doing up top. And the piece of hair that I pulled from my section, I'm just going to bring it over to the opposite side. So grab, pull. Grab from one section, and you're just going to bring it over to the other side. Grab from that section, and then you're just going to bring it over to the other side. And then you're just going to do this repeatedly until you get that fishtail look. So again, you're just going to grab from that section, bring it over to the other section. Grab from that section, bring it over to the other section. I thought this would be hard, but y'all, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay?
Dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess, quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase.
And this is the finishing product of the demonstration I did. I know some people like to stretch theirs out, so I was just doing a little style. Some people like it, some people don't. It's okay, that's fine. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like if I stretched it out. Now the one coming up is a more skinnier version that I did not stretch out. I just wanted to show you guys the different ways, sizes of a fishtail braid. Next, I'm going to finish off my baby hairs. I'm going to start with combing them out. And then if there are any extra pieces, I'm just going to pluck those hairs out. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my baby hairs. I've learned it's better to cut them on an angle. It gives you that desired look that you're looking for, and that thick piece towards the end blends better on the end of the wig. So it's better to cut at an angle, going down a downward angle. But next, I'm going to take my little curling irons and I'm just gonna curl those up because I like the look and I feel like it just helps me better. But don't cut them as short as me because I was obviously having a hard time. But yeah, cut at a downward angle, then take your curling iron and you want to just curl those downward. I'm then going to take my mousse, just a little bit of mousse, just a little bit of mousse. I try not to do a lot of product because it makes the baby hair really oily and then it just won't lay right. So I do take as little as product as possible and I just apply that to the top of the baby hair. And then I begin to just push that in like a C motion with my comb.
You wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
Baby hairs do take me a lot of time, so don't get frustrated. You might have to just recut or add a little bit more product.
I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you're mad. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. Got something real, not basic.
And also sometimes switching up your product, your tool, whatever you're using for your baby hairs helps. So once I switched over to like my little edge brush comb thingy, it started getting better.
Hey. Yes, I'm hurting.
So I did finish my opposite baby hair off camera because it takes a minute and you guys already got one side, you don't need another. So I'm then going to begin curling my hair, and I like to curl away from my face. I don't know how to use the barrel curler, so I just stick with my wand curler and I just make sure that the hair is curled away from my face. it was given very much like that beachy wavy look, which I really did like. So this may be my new style. And now, and we are at the finished result, ladies. Look how quick and easy that install was. That was amazing. And I gave you a little fishtail on the side. Okay. One thing I will say about this hair, I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. And that's only because the curl didn't hold. But I don't really mind because I was going for like that wavy look. So it didn't make me mad. But I am going to rate it a 9 out of 10. I purchased this wig off of AliExpress. I will make sure I leave the link in the description box. And I will see you guys later. Remember to like, comment, and share. See you later.